So we're here at the launch of the Aston Martin DB12. I am so excited to be here.
I think the DB12 is going to be fabulous. I'm expecting a lot of luxury, so standards are very high.
I'm so excited to see the reveal of the DB12. Plus I'm an Aston Martin girl, so it needs to top my vanquish. Let's go.
And here I am tonight to present the most important next generation sports car of this incredible, iconic brand.
Well, I think it is a very aggressive design, and yeah, obviously the performance of it and the pleasure of driving that kind of car is something magic.
It's one of the most stunning cars I've ever seen. It's going to be a hell of a machine to drive.
We're an ultra-luxury brand wedded to performance, and the performance of this car is incredible.
We did add what our customers are looking for. We have timeless, sophisticated design, innovation, technology is extremely important.
It's incredible. It is firstly so beautiful. I cannot believe this excitement, all the glamour.
The lines, the material, the colours, it's just blown everything out the water.
This is just the beginning of the new exciting journey of Aston Martin.